Hey guys, so I built this PC a while back and I've already actually put another video out on this. You might want to go check that video. I've done videos and reviewed most of the parts I put into this separately, and I did one video on this build itself. So you can go check that out. Also check the link in the description for where you can pick up any of the parts in this PC build. Now the purpose of this video today, I just kind of wanted to share this. I had some leftover clips of this. Now look at these sticks of RAM. Now this video does not do them justice. I was recording this with my phone, and they look amazing when you look at them. But if you like RGB lights, some people don't like lights at all. But any case, I didn't really focus on the lighting that much when I actually reviewed this. When I did this build or reviewed any of the parts. But I thought these lights looked pretty amazing, and I loved how they came out. The video does not do them justice at all. They look way better when you actually see them with your eyes. Um, I now have another camera where I could probably do a better job of recording those. But any case, yeah, just wanted to share this. These are some of the leftover clips from that build, so I did not include these clips. Pretty sure I didn't include any of it. I may have included some of these in the build video, but most of these were not included. So these are basically all just leftover clips of me trying to get these at different. I was trying to, record those sticks of RAM from different angles, and I recorded a few of the other things. This is the case in with the lights on and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to get it from every different angle that I could and just get a bunch of different shots. And it kind of seemed like a shame to not use this footage for anything. So I wanted to throw this video together just as kind of a compilation video of all the different angles that you can look at those really amazing looking sticks of RAM from. Now, sure, form over function. I'm all, I generally tend to, yeah, this is the all-in-one CPU cooler, which is terrific. It worked great for me. A lot of people liked the video that I made on that, and yeah, apparently I was kind of surprised. That was one of my more popular videos. But yeah, and a lot of the other stuff I thought would be more popular wasn't. You never know what people are going to really like. But but yeah, anyways, form over function. I would definitely not buy these just for the lights. I would definitely, I tend to buy things based on the ratings and how reliable the hardware is and the performance and the stats and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, and this is the yeah, that's the SSD that I installed there. An NVMe SSD stuck in the M2 slot there. So yeah, anyways, terrific build, and this is it in place with a bunch of junk already piled on top of it. But any case, yeah. So yeah, form over function, but that doesn't mean that if the parts in here are really functional and they look good, it's completely fine to have in my opinion, to have all sorts of flashy lights and stuff in it, so long as they're functional too. So anyways, just wanted to share this. Hopefully someone found this interesting. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.